So the boldface selection plays which of the following roles in the industrialist's argument? And the whole thing is the industrialist's argument, so we need to paraphrase what the whole thing is to figure out what the boldfaced part's role is. So vultures depend for their food supply on large animals dying of natural causes out in the wild. But if those animals died from eating a chemical that poisoned them, then the vulture that eats those animals will also die after ingesting that same chemical. For this reason, many environmentalists claim that the decreasing vulture population is entirely the fault of factories dumping chemical waste into the water supplies from which the local wild animals drink. Okay, so the boldface thing is clearly an environmentalist claim. That's not enough on its own, though. We need to keep reading. But this ignores another major factor. So when you follow up a claim with something like this ignores this or this is false because, it's clear that the author of the passage disagrees with the claim. So this ignores another major factor. There just aren't that many large animals out in the wild anymore. Stuff. Okay, so it's a claim in this particular case that the author, the industrialist, doesn't agree with. Let's find that in the answer choices. So A, it introduces a judgment that the argument ultimately rejects. That was exactly our prediction. It's something that the industrialist disagrees with. So there it is, choice A judgment that the argument ultimately rejects.